Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited I can't even tell you. We are going to play with some Play-Doh. I absolutely adore playing with Play-Doh. Played with it as a child and I play with it as an adult. I love it. With Play-Doh, the possibilities are endless with what you can do. So let's start. Alright, so in this we have it's Play-Doh Beach, and we are going to have several different things in here. Looks like we'll just peek in the side window. How's that? We have a bucket, and we have a couple of different containers of Play-Doh. We have some cookie cutters. So exciting. Let's just rip it open. What do you say? Ooh, they give us a roller, they give us some Play-Doh, they give us another thing of Play-Doh, they give us another thing of Play-Doh, they give us some cookie cutters. Oh, that's a lobster. They give us a shovel, they give us a star fish and a tail fin, a bucket, a knife, and a fish head. What they want us to do is they want us to mimic what's on the front. Okay? So we'll see. We'll see what we can do. So, what colors do we have? Let's see what colors we have here. We have orange. And you'll see I have a plastic cover on my table, so that it makes it easier to get the Play-Doh up. And I have yellow. And I have blue. So, if we want to make our lobster, we would take out the blue, but you can make the lobster any color you want. We're just going to try and mimic what they're asking us to do today. We're going to take our blue out onto our counter. I'm going to take just a little bit of it, about half of it. I'm going to take our roller. I'm going to roll it out. A lot of people don't know that Play-Doh was actually used as a wallpaper remover. They used it to take the glue off of wallpaper after the wallpaper was removed on the wall. It was a solvent back when it was first done, and then they made better ways to do that. So they were going to trash it. They weren't going to use it anymore. And somebody said, well, kids like to play with this. Let's make it to where it's better for them. So they put colors in it, and they took the harsh solvents out. And lo and behold, we have Play-Doh, and we still have it for today. And it's been a staple in schools and homes ever since then. So we have our, thank goodness for that, huh? Gives me something to do. So now we have the Play-Doh right about the size of the lobster, and we can push the lobster down into my Play-Doh. And then I'm just gonna take all the Play-Doh up around it. And I can take my little knife that they gave us, and I can help get that up around the front. There it came. And anything that didn't come up, I can take the little knife they gave me, and I can go in and get it. And we have our lobster. Ta-da! And now they want yellow stripes and orange eyeballs. We can do that. So we're going to take yellows, a little bit of yellow, and I'm going to roll it. Ooh, my camera didn't like that. And I'm just going to take it and make it thin. And I'm going to put a stripe here and cut that off. And a stripe here. And a stripe right here. You know, blue lobsters are very prized lobsters. There is such a thing as a blue lobster. Usually found up around Maine. They're very prized. And then they want orange eyeballs. So we'll take a little tiny piece of orange. I don't know if the blue lobsters in the wild have orange eyeballs or yellow stripes. But we'll make believe. Well, that one's a little bit bigger than the other one. So we have orange eyeballs. I'm going to put a little yellow dot in the center. Oh, that's a little too big. You don't want him to have huge eyeballs like that. Ooh, where'd my eye go? There we go. Does this lobster here look like my lobster? I think it looks pretty close. Now they're wanting our bucket to be filled with orange and blue. We can do that. So we're going to get our Play-Doh out. We're going to put a little bit of Play-Doh in there. How much does it need to go in? Not too much. So we're going to cut that off. Oh, got a little blue on there. We're going to fill that up. So we've got that. And it wants blue spots. You can put some blue spots on there. So just keep in mind that you can make yours any way you want. Play-Doh can be anything you want. The possibilities are endless when it comes to Play-Doh. It can be shaped and molded into anything. When we were kids, we used to ask our mom's permission. But then we would get our mom's cookie cutters, and we would make make-believe cookies out of Play-Doh, and we would decorate them with other parts of Play-Doh. And if you don't push too hard, then you can take that Play-Doh right back off, and you can put it back so you don't mix your Play-Doh together. Then you can still separate it. Alright, so we got our bucket. The buckets look the same. See, there's my bucket and there's their bucket. Now they want us to decorate a star. Oh my goodness, decorate a star? Okay, well here's their star, and they want the star to be blue. So we got our little ball of blue. Let's make it a ball. Let's move our little fish out of the way, our little lobster fish. We're gonna roll out our stuff. Roll out our Play-Doh. Yeah, we would love to make Play-Doh cookies. And if your Play-Doh is nice and fresh and not dry, if you put it in your containers afterwards and put the lids on nice and tight, then you don't get dry Play-Doh, and then it doesn't stick to the cookie cutter. Okay, where's our star? Here's our star. Oh, it's not quite big enough, so we need to get some more blue and add it to it. So you can just add it right in. Gotta roll it back out again. Okay, let's see if we made it right this time. Yep, there it is. Okay, let's see if we can pull it away. Ta-da! Now we have our star. Now they want orange and yellow dots on your star. Orange and yellow dots. Well, let's start with the orange. We just need a little bit. And put some dots on here, and they don't have to be any particular way, any particular size. You can put some tiny ones on here and some big ones on here. Just 3 or 4. Oh, that one got away. Well, let's get some yellow ones. Let's switch this one with that one. Here. All right. So does our star, there's theirs. Does our star look like theirs? Looks pretty close. All right. Now they want us to make a fish. See their fish? Okay. And they gave us a head and a tail. But they didn't give us a body. So we're going to have to make that up ourselves. How exciting. And they want the body to be orange with yellow stripes. So, we're going to come in here. We're going to get this. Let's move our star out of the way. Move our fish up. Okay, so we've got our fish. And I'm just warming up this Play-Doh here. And I'm going to get the size that I need. I'm just going to start molding it. And I'm going to push that in just like that, since I know that's what I need. I'm going to mold it just like that. And then I know that the fishtail, it normally is narrower down by the fishtail. So I'm going to make sure that it's narrow down by the fishtail. And fatter up toward the head. Because fish have like a torpedo-like body. So I have my tail, and then I'm just going to come in and I'm going to push my tail in. There we go. Now I'm going to make some stripes. Now they want the stripes going long ways. I'm going to come in and I'm going to get some small pieces, and you can either rub them in your hands, you can rub them on the table. You get an idea of how long they need to be. It's okay if they come apart. You can make them again. You can squish it back together. You might need to add a little bit to it. Here's one stripe. Get some more. Not sure what kind of fish has a blue head and blue tail, orange body, and yellow stripes, but alright, we can be whatever it wants to be, huh? We just live in its world. Art is cool that way. You can make whatever you want to make. There are no mistakes in art. Because I really need that extra little piece there. All right, there's my fish. And now we've got our little shovel here. We've got our bucket. So, there is their fish. Oh, it looks like they want us to put an eyeball on there. So let's put an eyeball on. Looks like they want an orange eyeball with a yellow. We're going to have to borrow some of this orange out of our bucket because we're out of orange. With a yellow dot. He must be relative of that lobster, because that lobster has an orange eyeball with a yellow pupil. Okay, so there's their fish. And there's our fish. There is all of theirs. There's their lobster, their bucket, their starfish, and their fish. And there's ours. I don't know, I think we did a pretty good job. Like I said, Play-Doh can be anything you want. So now you can take it all apart and you can make whatever you want. That is the joy of Play-Doh. I like to make snowmen. Snowmen are my favorite. You can make an orange snowman. I'll make one orange snowman. To show you, you can make whatever you want. Do we want to put a blue head on it? Orange body with a blue head. And we will put, oh, we'll just use some yellow eyes off of this, off of our starfish. And an orange nose. make yellow. Oh, we got some yellow arms over here. We'll put yellow arms on him. Oh, we can't go anywhere without a hat, can we? Don't snowmen have to have a hat? So we'll make an orange hat before I let you go. How you make an orange hat? I just usually make a circle. And then I make a square. Yeah, that's kind of a square. It's a little too big, so we'll take that down a little bit. See how with Play-Doh you can change anything you want. And then you make it into your circle. There you go. There's my snowman. Maybe I should have stopped while I was ahead. Thanks for coming to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. I love Play-Doh, and I hope you love Play-Doh too. Like, subscribe, and comment below. See you next time. Bye.